to subscribe!
Got a cold?
It's morning. There's Poby's house.
Slept well, huh? Oh, that sleepyhead. I should wake him. Wake up, Poby. Wake up! It's already morning. Ouch. Well, at least you got up. Yeah.
Oh, the pepper shaker fell on the floor. Why is the pepper shaker down on the...
We should exercise in the morning.
Yes.
Start your exercise. 1, 2, 3. Ew, it's cold. Poby, aren't you cold?
I'm not cold, but my nose is.
Why do you keep making me fall to the ground?
My nose itches.
Something's wrong. Poby's got a cold. Harry! Huh?
Oh.
Poby! Hi!
Hi, Petty. What are you doing here so early?
I have a favor to ask you. My dining table broke. I tried to fix it, but... I think Poby's got a cold. He needs to rest.
A cold?
I guess you should rest then.
No, I'm all right. It's not a cold. Let's go and have a look.
Are you sure?
Yes. Poby and Harry went to Petty's house. Here.
Oh, I'll make you some snacks. Wait.
Thanks.
I guess he didn't have a cold.
Done.
Here, I made a special pie for you, Poby and Harry. Try it.
Looks good. I should be going.
Not eating the pie? You must have a cold. We should go back to the house.
I'll be going, Petty.
Bye. Bye. Let's see. Poby! Poby, we were about to play hide and seek. Join us.
Hide and seek? Wow, sounds fun.
Not now. Poby needs to rest for now. He's got a cold.
I don't have a cold.
Hey, let's go back to your house.
Okay.
We'll be going. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Poby got a cold?
What is cold?
It means you're sick, coughing and...
Coughing?
I hope he's not that sick. Oh, I have some medicine at my house. I have some honey at my house. Then let's come back with the medicine we can find. Yes. Maybe you should lie down.
Lie down? But I'm all right.
No, it's best that you take a rest when you're like this.
Poby didn't have a cold, but he lay down on the bed because Harry was worried so much.
Poby, how do you feel?
I'm all right. Come in.
Don't sit up like that. I said he should rest, but he keeps saying he's all right. You don't look so ill.
I'm really all right.
His temperature is normal. Then, let's see. His breathing is all right. Poby has a cold. Is that so? Loopy, do you have it ready? Here. And this is the best way to cure a cold.
Wait, I don't have a cold. Don't.
Poby, it'll be over in a minute.
Please.
I'll make it quick.
Poby ran out of the house. Pororo and friends chased after Poby. Look at Poby run. He must be right about not having a cold.
Eddie's got the cold.
Pororo and friends are playing hide and seek.
Oops.
Where did they hide?
She'll never find me here.
Got you, Pororo! Now all I have to do is find Eddie. Where is... that place looks suspicious. I'll take a look. Huh? Over here? Found you, Eddie! I found everyone!
Who's going to be it next? Oh, my nose itches. Seems like you have a cold.
Eddie, you should be getting back home.
Everyone took Eddie back to his house.
You should lie down.
I think Eddie should take a cold medicine.
Cold medicine?
Cold medicines are so bitter.
You have to take it to get better.
Oh, poor Eddie. Ugh.
Eddie!
Huh?
What is that you have? Oh, I heard that it's good to have warm tea when you have a cold. Here. Oh, thanks. It's salty. I put a bit of salt in it. Salt? They say it's good for treating a cold. Here. You'll feel better tomorrow. I'm sure of it.
The next day, everyone stopped by to see Eddie.
Oh, you're here. Did I need to put in more salt? Let's see.
Wait.
Huh?
I'll make you a magic cold medicine.
A magic medicine?
Yes. Kuri kuri tong tong, kuri kuri tong tong, come out, magic medicine. Ah, that's it. Drink, Eddie.
Wait.
I made this specially for you.
There was a robot in the house and Rhodey was his name. There was a robot in the next house and Rhodey was his name. There was a
Oh, that's a dancing potion.
I got an idea.
No more medicine. Not taking any more.
This time it's not a medicine.
It's not
Let's exercise and make you sweat.
exercise.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
Stop! Eddie, you should run more. That's how you'll get better.
I should? Okay.
Eddie kept running, and running. How is it? Do you feel better?
I think so.
Eddie's cold is getting worse. Everyone thought of how they can make Eddie feel better.
Oh, I'll bring cough medicine and a syringe tomorrow.
A syringe?
Don't try to get up. Stay put.
Take care, Eddie.
Take care, Eddie. Feel better.
Bye.
Everyone left at night.
Now let's give you your shot.
No! If I want to get better. Found it! I need to drink lots of warm tea.
It became the next morning, and all the friends came to Eddie's house again.
Eddie! Eddie! Oh, there's no answer. Eddie! Oh, Eddie's not home.
Where did he go so early?
You're right.
Oops.
Eddie! I found Eddie.
Oh, hi. You're all here. There you are.
How do you feel?
I feel fine. I don't have a cold anymore.
Well, you're not well yet. You'll get better after this shot.
No, I feel fine.
You don't look fine.
I said I'm fine.
Oh,
I'm really fine.
Eddie!
I'm fine.
Seeing Eddie run like that, it seems he's fine again.
Get well soon, Loopy.
Pororo and his friends are playing badminton.
Oh, no, you don't.
Way to go, Pororo!
Oh, sorry. It's okay. You just have to try a little harder.
Loopy! Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Oh no, Loopy is soaking wet.
Having fun! Sorry, it's all my fault. It's okay, Loopy. I don't know why I'm so bad at sports.
Loopy, but you're awesome at cooking instead.
That's right. Your cooking is the best, Loopy.
Okay, do you guys want to come over to my place tonight? I'll cook you up something really yummy. This should be enough food. Atchoo! Oh, atchoo!
Loopy, we're all here.
Hi guys, come on in.
Wow, there's so many dishes.
I hope you all enjoy the meal.
Wow, thank you,
What's wrong?
It tastes funny. It's bitter.
That's weird. I can't taste anything.
Oh, Loopy, it's not bitter to you?
Achoo!
Oh, Loopy, when did you start sneezing?
I started feeling strange after I came home from playing badminton.
After you came home from badminton? Loopy, I think you've caught a cold.
A cold? Achoo!
Oh, this won't do. You need to go rest, Loopy.
Yeah.
Loopy, get a good night's sleep, all right? Oh my.
I guess we're all hungry.
I'm sorry. I ruined everyone's dinner.
Don't worry, you need to rest, so we'll be going now.
You're going now?
Get some rest, Loopy.
See ya!
Let's go to our house. I'll cook us a nice dinner. Come on.
Okay.
Poby's going to cook them dinner instead of me?
Wow!
Here, please enjoy.
It looks yummy! Wow! It tastes way better than what Loopy cooked! I think this is the best meal I've ever had!
It's amazing, Poby!
I'll cook more for you from now on.
No!
Oh, I'm hungry.
Everyone hungry? Hurry and dig in.
The fish looks a little black, doesn't it?
Does it?
It tastes a bit strange, Poby. I think the fish is overcooked, Poby.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I miss Loopy's delicious cooking.
To be honest, so do I.
I hope Loopy gets better soon.
The next morning, Pororo and his friends went to Loopy's house.
Loopy!
Hello, everyone!
We want you to come play with us if you're feeling better.
Okay.
Oh,
Achoo!
Oh, you're still sick. Hey, guys, let's leave so Loopy can rest.
okay.
Goodbye, Loopy.
But I really want to go play. What if?
Got it! tables have turned. Wow, Rhodey, you're an awesome partner. Loopy doesn't even come close.
Loopy is worried that her friends are having more fun without her.
Yep, I've got this.
It's no fun to play because Rhodey's so good.
I know. It wasn't like this when we played with Loopy. I hope Loopy's cold goes away soon.
There must be something we can do.
Let's look at some books and research.
Books?
I think I have a book on colds back at home.
Really?
It should be here somewhere. Here it is. This book has a lot about herbs that are good for colds. I found it! An herb that is good for a cold.
Wow!
But Eddie, where do we find this herb? It says it grows deep in the mountain.
Then let's hurry and go to the mountain before it gets dark. Okay! Hey guys, wait a minute. Let's go tell Loopy where we're going first.
Okay, in case she gets worried.
All right, we can stop over at Loopy's on the way.
Loopy! Loopy! Oh, I think she's sleeping. Hey guys, let's just leave quietly.
Where are they going with their backpacks? Are they going on a picnic? How could those guys go on a picnic without me?
Catch, Grom! Yeah, this is fun.
Chloe, your sandwiches are really yummy. Chloe's cooking is the best.
I get to sit here? What if I'm left out all the time? But I have to get rid of this cold first. I'm sure that Tung Tung's magic can make my cold go away. It's snowing now. Can I make it all the way to Tung Tung's house? But if I want to get better fast, I have to go.
Contrary to Loopy's imagination, her friends were on their way to find an herb.
Let's hurry before it gets dark.
The herb has to be somewhere around here. Let's split up and go look for it. It's the herb! Good job!
I still have a ways to go. I feel dizzy.
Oh dear, Loopy has fainted.
With this herb, Loopy will get better soon.
Let's hurry over to Loopy.
Okay.
Isn't that Loopy? Loopy! It is Loopy!
Come on, let's take her home.
Where am I?
Loopy! Are you okay?
What happened to me?
It could have been really bad.
We found you outside lying in the snow, Loopy.
You guys rescued me. Thank you. But why do you guys... What happened? Why do you look so dirty?
Ta-da! We went and found an herb for your cold.
And I thought you all went on a picnic. I thought you guys had forgotten me because I was sick and couldn't cook well.
Loopy, you don't know how worried we were.
Loopy, we brought you tea.
The herbal tea will help you get better.
Thank you, everyone. It's It's very bitter.
What? Bitter? Loopy, you got your taste buds back.
Really? I think my cold finally went away. Now that I'm all better, I'll cook you something yummy to eat. The pie is ready to eat. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you, Loopy.
How is it? Is it good?
Oh, I can't taste anything.
Oh,
me too.
That's so weird. Oh no! Do you think?
Atchoo!
I think we've all got a cold.
Don't worry. Now it's my turn to look after you guys. Remember, you have to stay home and rest. No more soccer. No playground either.
Always remember that a friend in need is a friend indeed.
I have a stomachache.
It's a clear afternoon. Pororo and Krong are fishing.
I got one. One I got another one. Second fish. Well, what are you doing? Oh, there's another one. Numbers 3, 4, 5. Catch them for me. Oh, caught one again. I caught so many fish today. Should we count them together? Krong, where did you put my fish? Krong, how could you eat all my fish?
Oh my, Pororo is very angry.
What is that sound? Where are you going, Krong? What's wrong with him? What? You just pooped?
What's happening to Krong?
Does your tummy hurt? Do you have a fever? Have you been pooping a lot? You have a stomachache. Don't eat anything until you get well. Pororo! Loopy, hello. I made you a pie. Share this with Krong. Wow. Thank you, Loopy. Krong has a bad stomachache, so he can't eat anything. Really?
Night has fallen and Krong is still sick. Pororo takes care of Krong all night.
Krong, your fever went down. Oh? Oh? Is Krong better?
Hello! We came along too!
I baked a strawberry cake for Krong.
Krang!
Krong suddenly remembered that he had a stomachache because he had too much fish yesterday.
What? You want to share?
It's delicious.
Oh. Oh.
Krong was very sick because of a stomachache, but he learned how to share with his friends.
Let's play doctor.
Loopy is on her way to play doctor with her friends.
I'm going to play doctor today. La la la. Hello.
Loopy!
Are you okay, Loopy?
I'm okay. But stop playing with that ball now.
Oh, okay.
Today we're supposed to play doctor.
Oh, yes.
So, who wants to be my first patient? Krong seems to be sick with a cold. Come and have a seat here. Don't worry. There won't be any shots, just a stethoscope.
Phew, what a relief.
Okay, take a nice deep breath. Let's see. Goodness! Krong, you seem to be very hungry. How did I know? This tells me everything.
Really?
Of course. Krong, you skipped breakfast, right?
Oh,
She was right.
Well, I'm not sure about this.
Sit right here if you don't believe me, Eddie.
Oh, no way. I'll play later. You can go ahead, Poby.
Huh? I'll play later too.
Then Pororo, come and sit here. Don't worry, Pororo. Take a deep breath in.
Wait! I'll just tell you everything. A few days ago, I ruined your cake. I'll admit it. I'm sorry. Loopy! Oh. Did Loopy go somewhere? Oh! Wow, it's a cake! It smells good. Let me try. It's so good. Loopy's cake. Is someone here?
I'll be right out.
Oh my goodness, what should I do?
Sorry, I was cleaning my room. My cake! What in the world? Who did this?
I'm so sorry, Loopy.
What did you say? Well, all right. I'll forgive you because you told me the truth.
Really? Wow, what a relief!
Now it's Eddie's turn. Come and sit here.
No, thanks. I'll just stay right here. You got scared a few days ago, right?
Yes.
To be honest, it was me who scared you. Haha, it's ready. If I untie the ribbon like this, ta-da!
Who is it? Oh. Wow, this is a gift. What is it?
I wanted to make Poby laugh.
It was you, Eddie?
I'm sorry, Poby.
I will share the truth too. Pororo was run over by a snowball a few days ago because of me, while I was making a snowman. should I do? I'm sorry, Pororo.
Poby, you! No need to get angry, Pororo. Everyone told the truth and apologized. Let's forgive each other.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry. By the way, why did you all tell me about the mistakes you made?
Because we had to.
You said earlier that you can read our mind with the stethoscope.
The stethoscope? It's a tool that we use to hear the sounds inside of your body. I can't hear what you think.
What?
Anyway, since all of you shared your mistakes with each other, don't you feel much better now?
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
That's true.
Because of the stethoscope, Pororo and his friends were glad they could be honest.